There have been a concerning amount of reports that have been filed in the last hour regarding appearances of blind wanderers in the Oklahoma area, with 254 missing person reports filed in the last hour. These blind wanderers have been known to cause extreme harm to those that are found. It has been reported that these blind wanderers are blind, but of superhuman hearing. Just a slight creak of the floor will lead to your utter death. If you have spotted one near you, you need to make sure that you are as quiet as possible.